Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy. Friends, I hope you all are doing well. Here in Exams Made Easy, you can get all the informations regarding AMI recognition time to time. So far, we have discussed more or less all the Honorable Delhi High Court order copies regarding AMI recognition, as you can see here on the screen. If you would like to know about the various order copies, if you would like to watch the detailed discussion, then the link will be provided in the description box of this video itself. By following the link, you can watch all such videos. And friends, in the last month, that is in the month March, we have made two videos back to back on 13th March and on 26th March, as you can see here on the screen. I think most of you might have watched those videos, and if you have not yet watched, I would like to recommend you those two videos. And after watching those two videos, please watch this video what I am discussing now, because on 13th March and on 26th March, two order copies released from the Honorable Delhi High Court back to back, and it is said from the end of Honorable Delhi High Court that Institution of Engineers would have to follow those 10 points. What were the 10 points? If you would like to get, then I would like to mention that first point was to discontinue the admission procedure, fresh admission procedure of new candidates or new students. So from 13 March onwards, students are unable to take admission in Institution of Engineers. Okay, so after that, what happened? On 26th March 2020, the next date of hearing was scheduled, but due to nationwide lockdown due to COVID-19, I think you people know it very well, it was not possible for our Honorable Delhi High Court to give any order or any judgment on that particular day, and next date of hearing was scheduled on 17th April 2020. Friends, this is office order copy of Honorable Delhi High Court. So what is said by Honorable Delhi High Court? Let me show you. It is said that suspension of functioning of Delhi High Court till 3rd May 2020. It is said that pursuant to order number 40 dated 14th April 2020 issued by the Government of India regarding continuance of lockdown up to 3rd May 2020, Honorable the Administrative and General Supervision Committee of the Court has been pleased to order that the functioning of the High Court of Delhi shall continue to remain suspended till 5th May 2020. So this was also very unfortunate. Due to the second stage of lockdown, it was not possible for Honorable Delhi High Court to give any judgment in this regard on 17th April as well. So what is said that all the pending matters listed before the court, including the Court of Registers and Joint Registers during the period from 16th April to 2nd May. I think you people know it very well that AMI case was scheduled on 17th April 2020. So that was after the first stage of lockdown. So if you see the chart, if you look at the chart, friends, date already fixed. That was 17th April 2020. Friday was the hearing date of AMI case, and the next date was scheduled on 17th June 2020, Wednesday. So all the cases, all the matters of 17th April 2020 are now rescheduled on 17th June 2020. That means you have to wait for the next 2 months to get the judgment or get the order regarding AMI from Honorable Delhi High Court. So friends, I would like to request you to follow our channel. We definitely will inform you on 16th, 17th June as well. And at the same time, all the informations regarding AMI, and also if you want any kind of material of any subjects, we definitely will provide from our Telegram channel. The link of the Telegram channel is also available in the description box of this video itself. Please follow the link and join the Telegram channel. Thanks for watching as always. Have a nice day ahead.